I've had the Worx Landroid mower mowing my yard for 3 days, but they didn't include enough of the boundary wire, so I had to order some more. But anyway, I just kind of cut part of my yard off just so I could have it working, because I was really excited about getting one. So this whole section of my yard hasn't been mowed. This has. So if you're wondering what kind of a job it does, here's your answer. Now this is over the course of, it's been running for 3 days, and it even goes underneath my boat and trims under there, which it's usually a big weed problem. But it's really quiet. It does a great job. The neighbors either think I'm really cool or the laziest man in the world. I really don't care what they think, but most of them seem to think it's cool. The mayor of my town, the very first day I turned it on, the mayor stopped his vehicle and rolled down the window and commented on how cool he thought it was. It's doing a great job so far, so there you go.